lot of people there. Next step, after trying everything off, gotta fill it up with everything you get. It's like paper or newspaper.
Paper.
Fill it up, but and then they get like every corner, like really, or else it's gonna be tough to get it off. Really pat it out like every scoop. Now after that, take this. If it doesn't fade, some comes off, but it's not a big deal. Oh, God, this is dirty. Back down. Okay, it pops in, but the birds won't be scared. That's it. I'm gonna put your food in. You don't really need to. Doesn't really matter where you put it, but even though it might say put them next to each other so they can see each other, but don't, because then that food gets in this. Even if it's there, it gets in it, but I don't even know how much it would be if it was next to it. And that's how you clean your bird cage. But we're going to be doing another show about what you need. Even though you kind of know what we need, but there's all stuff.
More stuff.
Yeah. Bye.